and slow it down more, a little bit more. Just want the front tires just to roll over. You don't want the car to bounce at all.
So like really slow. Like this?
Yep, you got it. And then you allow the back tires to follow through. And let's see you not knock this over. Just smooth acceleration. That's good.
Good.
That's good. Yeah, very good. We're gonna keep going straight.
Got it.
Should I take the bottle cap off or no?
I don't know about that.
Smooth braking and smooth acceleration.
Back 1, 2.
That's great. That's awesome, man. Right on. Okay, let's see you do this one. Just pretend you're driving an ambulance. You just picked up somebody who broke their back. You don't want to make them scream.
Okay. That's a good analogy, I guess.
Yeah. They actually do this with the training ambulance drivers.
I wonder what they would have said to that.
They get pretty good when they're learning, to take corners without,
Yeah.
making anybody scream.
Yeah, I bet ambulance drivers are really good drivers.
Absolutely.
You still going straight?
Yeah.
Got it.
Well, just imagine you're hauling eggs. I got eggs in the trunk, so it's fine. Nice. See, so that's how you accelerate. Just basically gradually like that.
Okay.
So that's good. This one here is pretty big. People bottom out on this one all the time. See the scrape marks?
Yeah. I bet lots of kids try to go through this fast too.
Mm-hmm. And then they break their wheels. And the wheels fall off.
Probably some crazy stuff happen to you in here, yeah?
Pardon me?
I bet you've had some crazy stuff happen to you driving around, like helping.
Oh yeah.
Dude, like,
Never been in an accident, but I come pretty close though, a couple of times.
look at these. Really? Never been in an accident?
No. Knock on wood.
You ever had to use your brakes?
Oh yeah, all the time, yeah.
Yeah. Probably pretty normal.
Try not to though, like I don't want to discourage people, but if there is a situation that we have to avoid, then yeah, for sure I'll use it. We're gonna keep going straight here at the two-way intersection.
Sure. This is this. Kick back.
Kick back.